That purple in there because Carshalton, where we come from, there's a large area of lavender fields traditionally and reinstated just recently, so it's a nice touch with our local heritage. And indeed, which is why we're called Black Swan, because they used to farm black swans about 2 miles up the road from the pub that we meet in. So it's kind of ties into what we're doing. So what would you like to do now? Broomfield?
What's up, Wonders of London fans? And this is a dance called Broomfield, Morris dancing.
Elite athlete, what do you know about it? Right, stand there. Broomfield playing. Let's start.
Yeah, that is a tradition dating back to the late 1400s.